was deep. Bye-bye!
Good afternoon, everyone! Ayan.
Hi, guys!
Ito yung... Hi, guys! The day after the accident.
The day after.
So, was it yesterday, the accident? So, ayun guys, kahapon yung accident. And, are you done with the insurance something? Processing? So, ayan, hindi pa siya tapos.
No, a lot of work.
Kasi, oo, ang daming information na hinihingi. Kasi pati, di ba, pati caravan namin, ayan, malaki din yung damage. So, ayan, ayan, kahit may malaki kaming problema, even if we have big problem, we still have time to enjoy, of course.
Yeah, because it's sunny, summer, and it's winter.
So, ayan, of course, one time to enjoy our day. Actually, I'm from work, guys. So, sinundo ako ni my love.
Taxi driver.
And, ayan, punta kami, nakapampaligo na ako. And punta kami ng lake. The lake here is just 10 minutes something? Or 8 minutes, ha?
Yeah, 7 minutes, I think.
7 minutes,
Yeah.
guys, papunta. So, mas malapit siya compare nung nandun pa kami nakatira sa Breda. So, mas malapit pala yung lake dito. 7 minutes, guys. So, andun na kami. Kaya, ayan, ready na ang lola nyo.
You wanted to have a monologue about 30 minutes about your love for me and why I'm so special.
You know it. I don't need to elaborate and to, you know, because for the sake of the vlog.
Okay.
And so guys, ayan, dito kami sa bagong sasakyan namin. So, cover siya ng insurance, 60 euro per day, right? This one?
Yeah, duur, hè?
Yeah, 60 euro per day.
But we get it back, the money, otherwise we will not do it.
And, but it's only for two weeks, right?
Ja, dan moeten we een andere auto hebben. And that's really stressful. How do you find another car?
Yeah, kaya, ayan, nag-ano talaga kami, naghanap-hanap na siya ng sasakyan. Kasi sa laki ng damage, guys.
Ik dacht het was een truck, maar het is een tractor met een ding.
Oh, really? Sa laki ng damage, guys, hindi siya as in marirepair. So talagang babayaran siya.
Altijd, hè?
Oh, sabi is sleeping.
Altijd in de auto. Als papa moet rijden, papa's driving.
Kanina excited siya
He will
lumabas.
sleep. En daarna
Kasi pasaway siya kanina, guys. Tapos nung sinabi ni Dudong na swim, kumbaga, do you want to swim? And ayun, nag-ano.
Maar vorige keer ook, when he's tired, he doesn't want to sit.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
fighting his sleep, I think.
Yeah.
When he's, he's fighting that. Like, I don't want. Because he's tired.
And nga pala kanina, guys, after ng work namin, pumunta kami ng Media Mart. So, yung charger ko kasi ng phone, kaya out of coverage area ako kahapon. Yung charger ko ng phone, tsaka yung charger nitong camera ko, naiwan sa caravan. Kasi yung mga dinala namin, sabi ni Wibe, you get only those important things. And plus yung food na nasa ref dun sa caravan, yun yung kinuha ko kasi baka ayan mga moy sa loob. So ang dami pang gamit sa caravan. So ayun, importanteng gamit ngayon kinuha ko, kaya lang yung pinaka-importanteng gamit. The most important thing in my life is the charger. Oh. The most important thing next to my family, next to Dudong and XAVY, is the charger, of course.
Because last night she had no charger. And she was different. And I didn't know what it was.
What?
Yeah, you were different. Every time you came to me and hug and talking and I thought there's something.
Guys, walang magawa.
She doesn't have her mobile. She likes her mobile.
Bookingan time!
But it's fine. I like watch football and stuff.
Guys, natutulog pa si Dudong Gamay. So, ayan. Mga 1 hour or 1.5 hours kami maglalagay dito. Tapos uwi kami. So, yun lang.
Sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Does matter how far, there is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Guys, nakipaligo na si XAVY. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Ayan, okay na siya. So, bibidyohan ko ng konti si Bulilit. Dah. Wow! Wow! Say hi! Hi!
Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry about tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song. You know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're
So guys, si XAVY naglalaro dun sa dalampasigan, sa sand. And love, what have you learned from yesterday's accident? Yan, madamdamin. Serious.
Life is what will happen to you while making other plans. Write that down.
Yan yung sinabi mo kahapon. Yan din yung sinabi niya kahapon, guys. There's nothing new. That's it.
Oh, you already used that one?
Yesterday.
Yeah, well, that's what I learned from yesterday. It's not
Another one. Another XAVY, guys. Hi! Oh!
Oh yeah, I have one.
Meron daw siyang isa.
If something negative happens, you can turn it to something positive.
Si XAVY may...
My line.
What?
Yeah.
Si XAVY kasi may
If
tinatapos.
something negative happens, you can turn it into something positive.
Like what we are doing now, guys. So this is the positive. Oh my gosh.
XAVY,
XAVY. Oh, thank you, Val. Akala ko hagis niya sa amin.
Yeah, gana.
Diba na? Sinong pipilian niya? Ayan,
Mama.
yay. Si Papa pipiliin niya.
Mama.
Papa. Nakikipaglaro sa papa niya.
A few moments later.
So guys, ayan, 1 hour swimming lang yung ayan, ibinanding namin sa lake. And since medyo matagal po kaming hindi nakapag-shoutout sa inyo, mag-shoutout po kami ng konti. And ayan, start natin yung shoutout si Sis Jeneline Luban.
Jeneline Luban!
Ayan, love, she's from Leyte, Tama ba sis? From Leyte ka din, pero she's working in Saudi Arabia. Yes. And this one, new subscribers po namin, sabi niya, Dag family Ritsma, groetjes vanuit Suriname.
Suriname.
Taga Suriname, guys. Efra Lensha.
Saudi-Arabië en Suriname, no?
Yeah, her name is Efra Lensha.
Efra Lensha!
Ayan, from Suriname, guys. Oh,
Suriname.
in fairness. And, nagpapa-shoutout uli si Sis Yen Chua.
Yen Chua.
Ayan, kapawarainan ko. Yeah, Toots is in the house, Sabi.
In thuis, in the house.
Yeah, Susan Person.
Susan
Hello,
Person.
sis. Nelia Saludares.
Nelia Solidaris.
Yeah, you help shout out Sabi. The Toots is still in the house.
Nelia.
Lynn Ortelano.
Lynn Artilano.
Pinay Mom's Vlog. Ayan, she's from here, you know. from
Pinay
Bart.
Mom's Vlog.
And they call me Vina. Hi, Dai. They call me Vina.
They call me Vina.
Wensi and Kapila.
Wensain Kapila.
Ayan si Tita Emmy Saltarin.
Emmy Saltari.
Saltarin. Yeah. Carla Lagumba.
Carla Lagumba.
Shout out to you. Help mama papa shout out. Alma Mendoza.
Hebben we niet Elma gehad?
Alma
We
Mendoza.
hebben toch al Elma gehad?
Really? Just shout out loud.
Elma Mendoza. And then you say Elma. I said Elma. It's
Yeah,
just
that's her.
Yeah?
Chris and Tracy.
Crazy Tracy.
Chris and Tracy.
Chris and Tracy.
Of course, yung dalawa kong ka-Inday, Inday Yen and Inday Ikat. Yen and Ikat. Ayun naman, umihirap na naman. Dutch Eva Vlog. Dutch Eva Vlog.
Dutch Eva Vlog.
Chen Kuting.
Chen Kuting.
And Yeronan Kin. What?
Those I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
Of
already
course.
shout them out.
Yeah.
But if I
napatay
want,
ng
I
iba. Jentan. Yung mother niya is si Lucitan. Hello po. Hello, ma'am. Lucy. Evelyn Buena. Ayan. Sis Evelyn, hello. Harold Pumanes. Hello. Sino pa? Irene Capuno. Hello, sis. Family Menges.
Family Mangas.
And busy siya kanina guys sa pag the drive, so hindi na nakapag-shoutout ng sino pa ba? Jeddy.
Savi. What's happening there?
Nalilito si Savi. So, ayan, ito pa si Luz Racasa. So, bago din siya sa channel namin. And Marilyn Desena. So, yun na lang muna for today, guys. Medyo 3 days ata kaming hindi nakapag-vlog. So, ayan, thank you sa mga nagsusupport pa din sa vlog namin. And, ayan, super traumatic yung pangyayari yesterday during the accident, of course. And, ayan, pero we stay positive pa rin. And hanggang dito na lang po. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for our latest update. Bye!
Bye-bye!
Say bye-bye, Sabi. Bye! Bye, guys.